Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to get Telegram ID, and now let's dive right in. Now to get your Telegram ID, first open up your Telegram app guys. And over here guys, in order to get your Telegram ID from over here at the top right corner, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there's a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings option available for us just below the saved messages. Tap on settings. And over here where it says the username, just below your phone number and above the bio, this is your Telegram ID guys. In order to copy it, you will be able to copy it directly by tapping and holding it from the outside of your phone on your Android phone. But in case if you're using an iPhone, you'll be able to copy that link from over here. There will be a button over here in order to copy it. So now in order to get your Telegram ID guys, simply tap and hold on it and it will be copied. And if you send that Telegram link which you had copied just over here to anyone like this guys, and if they tap on it, they will be directed to your ID like this, where they will be able to chat with you and view your profile information which you have shared on Telegram. And with that being said guys, this is how to get your Telegram ID. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.